Hi, how are you?
I'm fine.
What's your name?
I'm Chili.
Chili. So today we are asking Kenyans, between Lagos, Nigeria and Nairobi, Kenya, where would you rather live and work?
Nairobi, Kenya.
Nairobi? Why?
I love my country, one thing. And then Nigeria, depending on the value of their currency, iko chini yetu. So when you're working there, like when you're being paid 1,000 naira, in Kenya it's like you're being paid like 700 bob. So kuna ile difference tu, yani our currency iko juu kiasi, nika vile dola ni kubwa kuliko Kenyan shilling. So it's, yeah.
Okay, thank you so much for your time.
You're welcome.
Hi, how are you?
Hi, I'm good.
What's your name?
Gashon.
Gashon.
Yeah.
So today we are asking Africans, between Lagos, Nigeria and Nairobi, Kenya, where would you rather live and work?
Nairobi, Kenya.
Why?
I just love Nairobi compared to Lagos. Lagos, as in wako nyuma, their culture. I prefer Nairobi because tuko kani matatus, we have the best matatus, we have the best skyscrapers, we have the best roads, we have the best streets. Tuko na everything lit. Lagos wako a bit nyuma kidogo tu. Yeah.
Sawa sawa.
For Kenya.
Okay.
Nairobi, Kenya. That is, yeah.
Thank you so much for your time.
You're welcome.
Hi, how are you?
Fine, thank you.
What's your name?
My name is Steve.
Steve.
Yes.
So today we are asking, would you, between Lagos, Nigeria and Nairobi, Kenya, where would you rather live and work?
All day, every day, Nairobi, Kenya, because home is always best. You know, Lagos is a very big town with so many people, around 20 million people. So I prefer Nairobi each and every single day because Nairobi ina watu wengi sana. Yeah, and Nairobi is very urban compared to Lagos. Yeah.
Okay, so what about the economic structure? Would you talk about the two?
Economic structure, Nairobi ndo naweza sema ndio the best. Juu kila investor siku hizi anakujanga Nairobi. Yeah. Ndio tuseme kama ndio Dubai ya Africa siku hizi.
Yeah. Okay.
In the next 5-10 years, Nairobi will be the place to be. Yes.
So thank you so much for your time.
Thank you so much for hosting me.
Hi, how are you?
Hi,
What's your name?
my name is Teresa.
Okay, so Teresa, today we are asking Kenyans, between Lagos, Nigeria and Nairobi, Kenya, where would you rather live and work?
Yeah, Nairobi.
Why?
Yeah. Sisi ni mahasla, we love one another. We can fight on social media, we can do everything, but at the end of the day, we love one another. So Kenya all through.
Kenya. You just love your country.
Of course, but lakini si kwa ubaya. You've seen how Kenyans we are. We can fight on social media, we can do everything. It's never personal, but we always love. Umeona mtu akikuwa na shida, the way we go, we come through for them. Which country does that? Sisi hadi tulikujia Kenya for Kenyans. You remember that time yenye watu walikuwa nalala njaa. So yeah, Kenya all the way, man. Yeah.
Okay, so thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Hi, how are you?
Fine.
What's your name?
Joy.
Joy.
Yeah.
Okay, so today we're asking Kenyans, between Lagos, Nigeria and Nairobi, Kenya, where would you rather live and work?
Nigeria.
Why?
I love the place.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's the only reason?
Yeah.
Okay, so thank you so much for your time.
You're welcome.
Okay. Hi, how are you?
I am good.
What's your name?
Okay, I'm Mash. IG unaweza nipata ka Playboy Mash ama Trapstar Mash.
Playboy ama Trapstar Mash. Okay, so today we're asking Kenyans, between Nairobi, Kenya and Lagos, Nigeria, where would you rather live and work?
Okay, me personally nitachukua Nairobi because the main reason for me ni sherehe. No, hakuna country upati ka Kenya, and that's the main reason. Hadi mi usema you get rich, live in Kenya, no go in elsewhere.
Okay, so thank you so much.
Okay.
Hi, how are you?
I'm very fine.
What's your name?
My name is Safe Simple.
Who?
Safe Simple.
Safe Simple.
Yeah.
Okay, so today we are doing an episode where we're asking Kenyans, where would you rather live, between Nairobi, Kenya or Lagos, Nigeria? Live and work.
First of all, I'm a barista. Mufanya kazi huku Nairobi, like barista. Na that barista, kwa let's say economico very iko chini kabisa. Na mimi nataka let's say kwenda let's say far, like Berlin. Berlin is so much iko juu kabisa. Juu let's say ukifanya kazi huko unaweza wadiwa something good. Yeah.
So you prefer none?
May prefer to go in Berlin. Yeah, this year I prefer to go in Berlin this year. Yeah.
Okay, so thank you so much for your time.
Yeah.